Governor Mills dropped by Back Cove in Portland today to check out the stormwater construction project. Sargent Construction is building a second storage tank on Back Cove. That 3.5 million gallon tank is part of the city's long-term plan to separate sewer water from stormwater and to minimize stormwater runoff into Back Cove and Casco Bay. The tank is intended to capture what's called the first flush, or the first inch of rain, and store it until the wastewater plant has an opportunity to treat it.
Upgrading our outdated water infrastructure will clearly create and is creating good paying construction jobs. Protecting our clean water will reduce costs for cities and towns and strengthen our economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic.
The project is scheduled to be finished by December of next year.